Now moving to the other characteristics that differs between BCRs and TCRs, such as their antigenic diversity. We know that both BCRs and TCRs exhibit great diversity. That means they can bind to the wide variety of antigenic peptides at their specific epitopes. And this great diversity is generated by gene rearrangement in both BCRs and TCRs. And this rearrangement is called VDJ recombination. But difference is that in TCRs, diversity is generated through genetic rearrangement of gene segments encoding the alpha and beta chains, whereas in BCRs, diversity is generated through genetic rearrangement of gene segments encoding light and heavy chains. Although this rearrangement is quite similar, where in TCRs, alpha chain's genetic rearrangement is quite similar to that of light chain in BCRs, and beta chain's genetic rearrangement is similar to that of heavy chain in BCRs. And other than this VDJ recombination, B cells additionally undergo somatic hypermutation, introducing random mutations in the variable regions of BCR genes, further diversifying the BCR repertoire. I have explained all these terms in detail in our previous video under the title Antibody Synthesis and Diversification. Also, unlike TCRs, BCRs also undergo class switching. What does it mean? Well, class switching is another type of gene rearrangement in constant region or domains of BCRs. That allows BCRs to switch their class, means they can switch between different classes of immunoglobulins, such as IgM, IgG, IgA, IgE, or IgD, etc. This process enables B cells to produce different classes of antibodies with varying effector functions. But in TCRs, they do not undergo class switching or isotope switching like BCRs. And T cells maintain a constant receptor structure throughout their lifespan. So, this was all about the comparison between the antigenic or genetic diversity of B cell receptors and T cell receptors. You can find about their detailed characteristics in our other videos at sqadia.com. So keep visiting, keep exploring, and keep learning.
Have you ever heard of video books? sqadia.com is delighted to present video books, medical books that have been tailored into a series of videos. sqadia.com videos are presented in the same order as the book's chapters. Explore now and make your learning easy.